Hey guys, so far in the previous lecture, you have understood what is making money online. You all know there are many ways to monetize your website traffic, and most of them are related to advertising third-party product or services. And also there are many advertising programs that can help you earn money nowadays. But the most popular is Google Adsense. Here in this lecture, I'm gonna explain you what is Google Adsense clearly. Google Adsense is launched by Google and it is currently one of the most popular advertising programs on the internet, and it provides a good opportunity for webmasters and site owners to monetize their traffic. If you have asked yourself what is AdSense and how to make money with it, then the upcoming points will explain you everything. AdSense is a free and simple way to earn money by displaying targeted ads next to your online content. The advertisements are controlled and managed by Google, and web publishers simply need to create a free AdSense account and copy and paste provided code into the display ads. Google AdSense has many advantages and it is a great monetization option, but it is not reached quickly. You have to work out with that patiently, then you can earn more. Do you know how Google AdSense works? It makes you to earn money by clicking your ads. It is an easy way, right? But are you thinking how to do it? In my upcoming lectures, I will explain you everything. Now let's move to the next lecture.